JusArt sent me these acrylic markers a while back and I am in love. So for this wood, I had to do 2 coats. So far I've done 2 coats on all these except for these two. So this one and this one has 1 layer when the rest of them have 2 layers, and then down here 2 layers, and then these ones so far I've gotten their 1 layer. And then I'm going to paint these the matching colors, and then these are going to be painted black up here. Oops, that's not right. Obviously you can see that it's crooked right now, but I did that underneath. I scored it so that I could put them exactly in the right place without having to mess with it. I am absolutely in love with this door sign for my preschool son's teacher. It's actually her birthday in a few days, so I wanted to make her something, and I haven't done this project yet, so I thought it was the perfect opportunity to do something for her that I think she'll love. And this has been so much fun making these with these markers. Here is what the tips look like. I like that I was able to get even in these little tiny areas like super easily, so it worked out. And like, look at these colors. Here is all the colors that was in the set. These are all the ones I didn't use. I have these kind of lined up in the order that they were on here, so I didn't mess it up, because the yellows at first I thought they were exactly the same after 1 layer, because it kind of looks like the same color almost with 1 layer, but once I put a second one you could really tell the difference in them. And then I did test them out on here just to make sure that these are the colors that I wanted to use. So this is the same wood that I used to make these, and it is turning out so good. I'm obsessed. These markers work so well, and I love that they are see-through, so I can see how much ink is in them and when it's time to replace them. So I love this array of markers. The color combos are endless, and these are great markers, really good quality. I did not have to shake them before I started using them. They just worked, which was awesome. So much fun to do this project.